record with your iPhone. When I upgraded to the iPhone, I didn't think that I was using the camera so often. And yesterday I done a tutorial on the 5 best apps on your iPad for video editing for free. Recorded that whole thing using my iPhone. Double take is awesome because it allows you to double up your device. I can record with 2 of the lenses out of the 3 at the same time. I didn't have to set up a little mirrorless camera in between me and the iPad because I can't see what I'm doing then, and it's very confined with the space. I love free apps. Okay, so if I take you on to double take, this is awesome. The app opens up and what I can do is I can go down to here and I can choose which angles I want. So which camera lens do I want out of the 3? I've got wide, I've got ultra wide, I've got selfie, and I've got telephoto. Now I'm going to choose an A and B camera angle. So I'm going to do my wide and my ultra wide, and then I can choose my frame rates. So I typically try to choose 25 or 30 frames just for the tutorial on recording the iPad screen. So I'm going to go ahead and press confirm, and I can press on this button. I can do picture in picture, split screen, and I can do a discrete mode. I can set 2 things up, my exposure. So if I click here, compared to clicking there or clicking on the white space, it will brighten and darken the image, and then I can lock the focus as well. So it's going to focus on my hand. If I move it away, it's going to focus at the back. You see, I want to lock my focus so it doesn't do any of that focus breathing. So if I lock this now, you see it's yellow. Now if I put my fingers in front, it's not going to focus on my fingers because it's focused at the back. So I can lock my focus and I can lock my exposure. Basically the 2 main things that you want to do. Then you can go ahead and press record, and it will record your tutorial on the app. Now here's my recordings. I recorded these tutorials. I've got my ultra wide camera angle and I've got my wide camera angle, and that was perfect to record this tutorial for my iPad. So consider shooting with your iPhone. There are plenty of apps that you can even edit on your iPhone. Now the 5 video apps that I showed on the iPad also work on the iPhone. Go ahead and give it a go, and I'll catch you in the next one.